Tim from Everyday Tactical Vids here. As always, guys, thanks for checking out the videos. Today we're looking at the Vism by NC Star PVC First Responders Utility Bag. Now, you're going to find this in the $22, $23 range, all the way up to probably $35, depending on where you get it. And I actually got this guy to replace my UTG Messenger bag. I love that bag, but I ended up putting together a small bailout survival bag for my mentor, and so gave that to him, and so this is my replacement for that. It comes in tan, OD, and black. It's got 7 total compartments. It's got a rear concealed carry pocket, has 1 rifle and 2 pistol magazine pouches. As you can see, it's got MOLLE on it, it's got Velcro on it. It comes with an adjustable shoulder strap, and it's got a breathable mesh back, which makes it very comfortable to carry. So lots of different cool features of this guy. Now let's take a look at it up close and personal, look at some of the pockets, and then I'll fill it up with what I use as far as my EDC items in this bag, and you can see what that looks like. Let's look into the pouches and all the different compartments that this guy has. First, you can see a zipper on the bottom, little bottom compartment here. You can see it does have this black kind of smoother lining, and you're going to see that in a bunch of the pouches. Got another pouch up here, and then this one has a double zipper across the front, and that gives you lots of space up here in front. As you turn to the side, you can see the first rifle pouch. This is basically, they just loosely attach it, so I'm going to unsnap this guy and take it off just to get it out of the way. If I can do that with one hand here. Yep. And you can see when you actually do fill it up, it will be pretty rectangular, so it's not kind of, you know, a weird, sometimes you get bags that even when you fill it up, they've got weird angles and they don't really rest nice and squarely. This guy is very rectangular there, and lots of MOLLE on the side. On the back here, you can see very comfortable. It's got this breathable foam, so you got some padding there, but it still will you know, let the heat out more easily. You got a D-ring here, and when you pull on this guy and unsnap it, pocket in the back with some Velcro to make sure everything stays in place where it should. Over on this side, it does come with these 2 pistol mag pouches. Now, obviously, you can use these for things other than pistol mag, so you can pop these off if you want to, which I'm going to do just to get them out of the way so you can see the bag. But you know, you could carry a flashlight in there, a variety of other items as well. Again, very rectangular shape, so that's going to sit nicely. Up here on the top, you can see you've got some bungee cord and another 2 D-rings. You can attach your straps in different places. If you wanted to put a different strap or something else here, you could do that. Velcro across the top, Velcro here on the front, and then you've got this pocket in the back as well to put things down inside, and that has a little Velcro in there, and quite deep, goes all the way to the bottom. Before I move on, I wanted to mention one more pocket. On top of your main compartment where you got this bungee cord and these D-rings, another zippered pocket. Lots of storage space in this bag. Now, the main compartment is actually pretty interesting. You're going to unzip this double zipper all the way around, and you've got a lot of space here. You've got an internal pocket in here within the main compartment. You've got a pocket here, and then you've got a pocket in the front, and if I can do it with one hand again, 2 mesh pockets, one there and one over on this side. So lots of space in the central pocket, the main pocket. Put that down again just for you to take a look at. Now what I'm going to do is fill it up with some of the items I carry around pretty much, you know, daily, my iPad, a bunch of other things, and show you what it looks like when it is at least a little bit more filled up. Before I talk about what's inside the bag, just wanted to show you the strap here. Got a slip-resistant material here, so that's nice. A little bit of padding, and then you've got QD buckle there and here as well, so you can take the strap off, put these 2 kind of arms, stuff them down into the bag, and if you want to put some sort of different carrying option across the top between the 2 D-rings, you could do that. So let me go through what I have in the bag right now just to show you what I personally carry, and I try to carry a little bit lighter. Some people may actually think this is heavy, but I try not to fill it so it's overflowing, just because I don't like the bag to be sticking way off my body. But down here on the bottom, open this guy up and just got a bunch of pens that I carry. In the center section, this is a extra large garbage bag that's kind of a shelter option. Leatherman juice. Got some matches, some waterproof matches, and then have a this is for if you do have a pencil, but also if you need to create shavings when you're out in the woods for survival situations. You can check out my quick tip on that. And that's it for there. In here, I've got just a cheap poncho just in case I get caught out in the rain, and that's pretty much for that section of that pocket. Up here, I've got a bunch of different things. I got some sewing needles. I want to just put 1 or 2 of them in, but just threw the whole pack in. Got some chapstick that's also got SPF sunblock on it. Got some wire, acetaminophen, basically Tylenol. Always good to have that around. Got some dental floss, and usually what I'll do is I'll put one of the needles across the back in some sort of tape so it won't, hurt anybody or hurt me. But that's always a good cordage option out there. And then I've got some safety pins as well. Now what I do is I try to keep items that might, if somebody saw it just when I was walking around outside, that might get them concerned. I try to keep those a little bit more concealed. So inside, in this pocket right here, you can see I've got a knife, just got a blade here. And then inside here, I've got, again, if you guys have watched the videos, I'm a pastor, so I got my Bible with me. Keep it in the box for longer life. Something to journal. Little notepad. And then my iPad as well here. And then inside, I've got my Survivor fire starter. So another fire option there. And then one thing I have down in this back one is my Surefire flashlight. So let me lay out all the items so you can see what they look like, just to see how much actually fits in this bag. So here's the bag and everything that I had in it. So far, quite happy with it, and we'll use it a bit and then get some updates out to you guys. But this is my new EDC bag, and it's by Vids by NC Star, and it is their first responder bag. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.